Hello everyone. So today we will talk about mean. Mean refers to average and the formula for mean is equals to sum of data. Sum of data refers to total data upon number of data. Now in order to clearly understand this topic, we will go through a number of questions. First of all, in question 1 part A, you are given some numbers. In part A, you are given 9, 7, 11, 13, 2, 4, 5 and 5. So simply just apply the formula. Mean is equals to sum of data upon number of data. Now what is the sum of data? Sum of data is the addition of all the numbers given above. So the addition would be 9 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 5 divided by what is the number of data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore there are 8 numbers. Now the addition of all these numbers above is 56 and number of data is 8. So 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7. Therefore this means that the answer for question 1 part A is 7. Moving on to question 1 part B. In question 1 part B, we will simply add the numbers given above, which will be 16 plus 18 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23 plus 27 plus 29 plus 29 plus 35 divided by number of data, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you divide the numbers by 10. Now the sum of data is 240 divided by 10, which means that your mean is 24. Simple, isn't it? Now let's move on to a tricky question. The question says the mean of 7 cm, 15 cm, 12 cm, 5 cm, 8 cm and 13 cm is 10. Now this means that the mean is already given and the mean is 10. Now sum of data would be you need to add all of the numbers given above divided by number of data. What is the number of data? Number of data is the total centimeters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now simply you need to add those all up. Now if you were to add these numbers, it would become 452 plus h. Of course you can't add h because h is a variable upon 6. Now 6 will multiply by 10, which means 60 is equals to 52 plus h. H is equals to 60 minus 52 and therefore the value of h is 8. Now in some questions, the thing is that the mean would already be given. You would be required to find the number and hence this is the way you will find the number. Now let's move on to another difficult question. The question says the mean mass of 5 boys is 62 kg. When the mass of a boy is excluded, the mean mass of the remaining 4 boys becomes 64 kg. Find the mass of the boy that has been excluded. Now in first case you had 5 boys and the mean of those 5 boys was 62 kg. So this means instead of writing mean, you would write 62 is equals to sum of data divided by number of data, which is 5. Now you would multiply 62 with 5. Now 62 multiplied by 5 is equals to 310 kgs. This means that the weight of all the students combined was 310 kgs. Now the question says that one boy has been removed and the new mean is 64 kgs. 64 kg is equals to sum of data divided by number of data, which means number of students now is 4. Now what is 64 multiplied by 4? 64 multiplied by 4 is equals to 256 and this is your new sum of data. If I were to subtract 310 with 256, it would result in 54 kgs. This means that the boy who has been excluded, his weight was 54 kgs. Now let's move on to the last question of our class. This question says the mean of 8 numbers is 12. Now 5 of the numbers are 6, 8, 5, 10 and 28. The remaining 3 numbers are equal to k. Find the sum of 8 numbers. Now the question is asking you to find the sum of 8 numbers. Simply apply the formula. What is the mean? Mean is 12 is equals to sum of data upon number of data. What is the number? The mean of 8 numbers. So the number is 8. Now what is 8 multiplied by 12? 8 multiplied by 12 is 96. Therefore sum of data is 96. Let's move on to part 2 and find the value of k. You already know the sum of data is 96. Now 96 is equals to add all the numbers up. What are the numbers? 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 10 plus 28. These are 5 numbers and the remaining 3 numbers are k. Therefore k plus k plus k. Now 96 is equals to 57 plus 3k. Now 3k is equals to 96 minus 57. 3k is equals to 39 and k is equals to 39 divided by 3. Now the value of k is 13 and hence you have find out the value of k. This is all for today. Hope you liked the lecture.